Good morning, kids. Hope you all are fine, safe, healthy. Today's subject is computer. Topic, let's type in Notepad, which I am going to conclude it. Now we are going to learn about Notepad, how you prepare Notepad on computer. Notepad is a simple text editor for Microsoft Windows and a base text editing program which enables computer users to create documents. It was first released as a mouse-based MS-DOS program in 1983 and has been included in all versions of Microsoft Windows since Windows 1.0 in 1985. Microsoft Notepad is a word processing tool included with Windows and is installed by default under the accessories program group. You can use it to create a log type that adds the current date and time each time the Notepad file is opened. So children, just see the Notepad which is given in figure 4.3. This article describes how to create a log file with Notepad. So children, we will see how we will start with Notepad. How do you use Microsoft Notepad? To create a log file in Notepad, click Start, point to Program, point to Accessories and then click Notepad. Type log on the first line and then press Enter. Enter is written in capital, children, to move to the next line. On the File menu, click Save as, type a descriptive name for your file in the File Name box and then click OK, children. So now you will see figure 4.3, Save and Exit Notepad. So as I already told you, you have to click on File button, then step 2, Save option, step 3, Save as window as it appears in figure 4.4, and the last step, give the file a name you like and click and save. You can clearly see in the figure 4.4. First, children, we saw how to create a new document. So children, once again I am repeating you simple writing with Notepad. How you will create a new document. So children, again I am repeating you. You can see a small blinking line on the Notepad, children. Yes, it is known as the cursor. What do you mean by cursor, children? The cursor shows the position of the next letter of number to be entered. You can start writing anything on a Notepad by tapping using the keyboard. Yes, so you understood, children? That is in figure 4.3. You will see a small blinking line on the Notepad that is called as cursor. Now coming to 4.4, you will see how you will save a Notepad file. Okay, children? Yes, very good. So once again I am repeating you this about this figure 4.4 also. Step 1, you have to click on the File button. Step 2, select Save option. Step 3, Save as window. And lastly, step 4, give the file a name you like and click and save. Now let's see the figure 4.5. You have to select the exit op. First you have to click on the file. Yes children, first you will click on the file which is given in figure 4.5. Then second, select exit option. Okay children. Now what you will see, you are opening a document by adding the date, time and date. So first you will open edit menu and then click the time and date. Again I am repeating you children. First you will how you will make the document. First you will open the edit menu and then clicking to time and date. So let's see the glossary children. Cursor, font, text. Cursor is the position indicator on a computer screen where a user can enter a text. So children, in this lesson you will see the glossary which is given: cursor, font, text. I already told you about the cursor. Cursor is what? It's a blinking line on the notepad. Yes, very good. And the next is font. Font refers to the size, style of typed characters within a document. Understood children? Font means the size. You have to see how you will make changes in the font. That is the size. How you will increase or decrease the size. Text. Text refers to the alphabets, numbers and special characters that you can type using the keyboard. So understood children? The cursor, font, text. Text means it refers to the alphabets, numbers and special characters as you type using the keyboard. Now we will see the exercise which is given in the lesson. That is, let's type in notepad. There are some exercises. So let's see few questions. Which of the following is the symbol of notepad? 4 options are being given to you. So yes children, you have to see the correct option which is given in the figure in the exercise, and you have to select the correct option. So come on children, I want the answer from you. Which of the following is the symbol of notepad? Yes, very good. First one, yes, come on children, I want answer from you. Second question, a notepad window looks like. A notepad window looks like. See children, there are A, B, C, D. 4 options have been given to you and the 4 figures are also given to you. I have already explained you what is a notepad, and so you can see the notepad is what? It is, you can see in the figure, it is an untitled notepad which is written as file edit format. Yes children, and view help. Yes, the first one, very good. The third question is, a small blinking line on the notepad window is known as what? 4 options are been given to you: cursor, pointer, line, title. So yes, come on, I told you already the blinking line is what on the notepad? Very good. I want answer from you. Yes, come on children. Yes, it's called a cursor. Very good. True or false? We cannot draw pictures in notepad. Yes children, we cannot insert dates in notepad. No, we can insert dates in notepad. So again it is false. Text of different sizes can be written in notepad. True. Yes, very good. Filling the blanks. Dash creates and reads document that contains only text. Yes children, I want answer from you. Yes, come on. Yes, Text editor, very good. Second one, filling the blanks. Dash is a simple text editor included in Windows, Notepad, very good. Dash refers to the size and style of the typed characters in a notepad. Yes, very good. Font, very good, children. Now match the following. Create a new file. So 4 figures are given to you. You have to join the line to the different figures given in the picture. Second one, save a file. Third one, exit notepad. Fourth, cursor. So you have to match the following to the figure which is given in the picture. Very short answers. To start notepad, click on dash button. Choose all programs and click on accessories. Select dash option. So come on children, to start notepad, come on children. Tell me the answer. I want answers from you. You will do it on your own. These 3 short answers, children. And picture based questions also you have to do on your own. You have to see the figure and you will write the answers seeing the figure. So children, let's meet in our next session. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.